You know what? Let me call Kristen.
Oh, it's Mama. Hey, girl.
Hey. Heard somebody got nominated for the Be Yourself Awards.
I cannot wait for the Be Yourself Awards tonight. I cannot wait to get dressed up, get my hair done, and hopefully win the award for Best Style.
Oh, you deserve it, Chris. You've always been so stylish.
Thanks, girl. I just love getting dolled up, going to get my hair done twice a week. Speaking of that, I need to call and schedule my appointment.
Oh, well, girl, I'm going to let you go ahead and do that. I know how important your hair appointments are. I'm actually about to finish playing in these new Aunt Jackie products that I got.
What you say you using on my hair?
Yes. Oh, girl, listen. I have this new Aunt Jackie's moisturizing cold wash cleanser. I think you're really going to like it, okay?
Yes, because I need my curls popping.
Wait up or stay up late. I hop in my new truck, cruising like a cool fool. I roll around with bass low, green like when I say so. Everything on my way. My whole life is a highway.
Hello, D-Lo speaking. Hey, D-Lo, it's Chris. Please tell me you have something open for Friday afternoon around 5 p.m. sharp.
Chris, I think I may have something open for you, but you're going to have to text me to book it because I'm like extremely busy right now, so I can't get to my book, okay?
Okay, will do.
Chris, make sure you text me. You remember what happened last time, right?
Yes, I remember. Trust me, I got it.
Okay, girl. See you later.
Courtney!
Chris, how are you, girl?
I'm good, Curly Sue. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. I'm sure you're surprised by my new haircut.
I am. How do you maintain it? I could never.
Girl, don't say that. Yes, you could. I just used some Curl Lab by Aunt Jackie's, the one in the purple jar. Just comb my hair with a little bit of water and it gets my curls moisturized and bouncy, girl. Sound like an Instagram influencer on here.
Speaking of that, are you going to the Be Yourself Awards?
I don't know, maybe. Those girls typically aren't my crowd. I just think it's really ironic for it to be called the Be Yourself Awards, and a lot of the girls there are really superficial. I don't know. Are you going?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to like offend you or anything. I don't mean you're like that. I just, okay, maybe like a little bit. Like.
Leave me alone. I'm just going to get my award for Best Style.
You deserve that because you always fly from head to toe, girl. So I'm rooting for you.
Wish me luck.
All right, girl. It's my turn to go get my eyebrows done. So I will catch you.
Yes, nice seeing you.
See you.